Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. We're here in the Andalusian countryside in the province of Granada to show you this spectacular 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom detached countryside property. This house has approximately 3,000 square metres of land. It's fully fenced. There's a generator for electricity and a well for water. You can see there's lots of interesting details in this house. We're going to enter through the ordinary front door, but there is another way into, which I will show you. When we get inside, it might be a bit echoey because there's no furniture. So we enter straight into the hallway. And as you can see, high ceilings, they're over 2 metres high. And just off this hall to the right is a very large kitchen, lots of room to put a dining table. It's done in the Andalucian style, so there aren't any cupboards as such. We do have a nice pizza oven here. And there are a couple of original cupboards at this end. Just behind here is a large pantry. So there's plenty of space for everything. Now this door leads outside. I'm just going to show you through here first, because the land goes up there, and just above here is a little area for chickens or goats. Here's a barbecue area. And through here is all of the machinery for the water, the electrics, the pump. There's underfloor heating in this house on both floors, and that mechanism is also found in this room. There's a very large water tank behind the house, so the water gets pumped up from the well into the tank, and then there's a further pump for the water to come into the house, so there's really good pressure here. It's very airy, it's very light. It has some beautiful original doors. And here we have a wonderful 10.5 metre long sitting room with these lovely little alcovey features. And there's one at this end. The large open fireplace. Again, wood beam ceilings throughout. We think the house is approximately 200 square metres. There's lots of space. I think the height of the ceilings gives it that real air of more space. This is the first of the bathrooms, the ground floor shower room. There's a nice stone basin. And I love this detail on the old door. It's good that the owners kept those kinds of features. So we have a full height hallway. This is the first of 2 landings. And as we get to the top here, as I said before, it'll sound a little echoey because there's no furnishings in the property. We have this huge hall with all the bedrooms and the family bathroom off. So this first room on the right is the bedroom. All of the bedrooms have walk-in wardrobes. Unfortunately, the generator isn't on, so we don't have the lights on. Another bathroom. This one's ensuite, very individually designed. And just around here, this is the largest of the bedrooms. Has two really big windows. Nice walk-in wardrobe. Good walk-in shower room. And I do rather like this marble sink. I think that's a very pretty feature. This would make a great B&B, or obviously a family home. Here's the view from the main bedroom. It's very peaceful here, of course. That's the view on the other window. So we're about 10 minutes to the nearest town. And as this is full countryside, you will have to get here via a natural track. And that's in pretty good condition for most of the route. So you have about 10 minutes driving on the track to get here. The family bathroom has a larger shower and some super brass basins. And then at the end of the hall, as you can see, there's a bedroom to the left and to the right. Let's go left first into the blue room. And lovely high ceilings. Super views. Nice little wardrobe. And don't forget, there's underfloor heating throughout the house. So this is a perfect place for all year round. Another nice little wardrobe. And then here's the view from this final bedroom. I'm now going to show you a little of the exterior of the property. So as we come out via the kitchen, you can see there's lots of olive trees here, and you can see some of the fencing too. And just up beyond the fence there is the place where you would put your goats and your sheep and your chickens if you wanted to have them. The well is down here. And just over in this little hut is the generator for your electricity. And that's of course a diesel generator. We don't have any information at the moment for the possibility of mains electricity, but that's something that we can find out for you. There's a good parcel of land here that's very usable. We have this nice flat plot just around the well. There's plenty of parking, and also we can go up to the bit where there's like a little huerta, a little allotment. So we hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like and share the video. Leave your comments in the section below as always. And if you would like to book a viewing, you can do that in the section below, or you can call or email us and we will arrange that for you. Thank you for watching.